Howdy guys, in today's video with VinylCut, we'll be looking at how to split paths. Let's just have a quick intro here. Well, today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we have a variety of different softwares we cover, and also we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here, now let's say we've got this card and we want these two windows to be able to open. You know, it could be a nice little feature. You can use that as a door, butterfly wings, you know, just use your imagination. What else you could use it for. But at the moment, if we click this preview button, you guys will notice that it will be cutting everything out. So that means afterwards we can just press these shapes out and we'll have a big rectangle hole in our card, which is not quite what we're going for. So what we want to do is either remove the side edges or to change the line style so it is not solid. In order to do that, we first select our shape that we want to cut it. Then you go to the shape tool here on the left tool panel. Select that, and then you can just simply click and drag a selection box over those two corners. You actually, I think you could even do it just without having to select your shape first. In any case, and then what you do is, there's two ways to locate it. You can just go to path on top. It's the first way, and then you navigate down until you find split path. Or what you do is you right click on the canvas or the mat, you go path, and we go to split path. After you've selected that, now that path will be separate. So let's select our selection tool again, and you hover your mouse till you see that little line highlight. And then once you've selected that, now you can see that path selected. Like I said, the first way you can do it is you can just hit your delete key after selected and it will remove that path. But let's say you're printing on or cutting a thicker cardboard, and then it's sometimes nice just to leave a line there but not a solid one, so it folds easy on the line. So to do that, let's undo there. We'll go to our fill or stroke and fill panel, or fill and stroke, and then under line style here, we'll be selecting from the drop down menu. If this for some reason does not want to open, you can just select it when it's blue like that and use your arrow keys to navigate. We can also go to edit and set a custom one. We've got a video on how to do this, but for now let's just I just want to make it the gaps not so close to each other. So let's so it won't be easy for tearing it out. So we add that. Now okay, that's still pretty close, but it's fine for now. For the sample, you can always adjust that so you get the perfect amount of lines. Now if we go to the print preview, we zoom in here, you can see it's not going to cut it out solid. Now what you can always do is you just repeat it on the other side. So you'll select, or you don't even have to select your path, it's just a bad habit of me. You select both of them, both those nodes with your shape tool. And you can either go path on top, or you right click, go path, and go split path. Then you select your selection tool, hover till you can see that let me zoom in here. There we go. It can be a bit tricky. You'll see it becomes like light blue or a blue color. And then once again we go to our fill and stroke. We set this the same. I think it was 3 and 10. So I'm gonna make this something like 40 and 20 just to see what that looks like. Yeah, there we go. That's more something that I'll go for. So now if we click preview, now you'll just set the other side the same, and then when it cuts, it'll cut your window shape or window path that side. So you can easily just pop out these little blocks, and then these windows can open. Quite a nice feature. Otherwise, we're to our website here. If you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. You guys will see we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have a search option if you want to isolate your search. Otherwise, if you don't if you don't find what you're looking for, you can always go here to the requested training video, and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.